Oh my god. Stop. He said the silent. Oh my god, look at the barn.
Soccer nest didn't make it.
Look at the house.
No, they did. Soccer nest was close.
Oh my god.
Look out there. Look at the house out there.
Look at that tree.
Giant.
Look at all the debris on by where the cows are. Oh my god, Douglas. Look at that house. Oh, I don't think anyone was hurt.
All the kids' toys and stuff.
He asked the guy, he said no.
Great time.
Look at, do you see, Douglas? Look. All those trees gone.
That was so close to us.
That was so close to us.
No, it wasn't bad.
Look at that.
It went all along there.
Let's see this barn.